Let's talk about USB charging cables for Nintendo Wii U Gamepad, AFUNTA 2-pack USB charger cord for Wii U, 10 feet 3 meters wide. Applicability: this USB charging cables is specially designed for Nintendo Wii U Gamepad. High charging speed: it is made of great materials to make sure that it charges the device quickly, efficiently and the most important, safely. Compatible with various adapters, it can be used on car charger, phone charging adapters, tablet charging adapters, computer USB ports, power bank, etc. 10 feet long cable: the cable is 10 ft 3 long, which long enough for you to charge and play at the same time. Great replacement: this charging cable is a good replacement of the original one. And also set of 2-pack gives your device a reserve in office, car or tours. Can't complain, they work and last a while. This is the second lot I've bought and it's been over a year, I believe. My Wii U is a bit abused from the kids, so I wouldn't expect them to last long around them. A more durable cable than the official Nintendo equivalent, which came with the Wii U, and versatile enough to be plugged into either a mains to USB or any device with a USB connection which just happens to be on. Its generous length is also a plus, since it doesn't need to be anywhere near as close to the power supply as the original. Worth buying even if you still have the official charger in working order, okay as a stopgap. Bought 2 of these and together they lasted 4 months. Had to buy new ones.